If you ever see the scary creature in your house, then get away from there immediately. But why is it so dangerous? But before I tell you, if you think this baby bird is cute, then like and subscribe. So many people have noticed this mysterious creature which is human-like and has a bird's face covered in feathers. Actually, it is opium bird which is so dangerous that it can hypnotize and kill you in a second. But in reality, these creatures doesn't exist. It is just a CGI made. These videos and photos are completely fake.